Hello guys, how to fix print a spooler error 0x800706b9 in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of print a spooler error in your system, then here are the various workaround to fix this issue. And the first and initial workaround is go to Windows settings by pressing Win+I shortcut key, or right click on a start button and choose settings. Here go to system from the left side and here look for option troubleshoot. Click on it. Troubleshoot is an important inbuilt tool of Windows system. Choose other troubleshooters and run Printert troubleshooter. Click on run and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process of Printert troubleshooter. After that, check whether your printer spooler service error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win+R shortcut key to launch run dialog box. Here type services.msc. Click on OK. It will open services windows in your system. Here look for print a spooler service. Scroll down and you will find print a spooler. Simply right click on it and choose a stop. Stop print a spooler service. Thereafter close the windows, minimize the window and right click on a start button. Go to run command and here execute the command as shown on the screen. Open print a spooler folder in file explorer. Simply execute. This command path will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there, paste it in command prompt windows and press OK, and it will open in file explorer print a spooler directory. Here if you find any file and folders, simply delete all files and folders from this folder. Thereafter again go back to the print a spooler services, right click on it and start, and apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and a startup type set as automatic, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your print a spooler error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to settings, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, scroll down and click on Windows Update and click on check for updates, and if any update available, download and install it. Thereafter go to advanced options. Here scroll down and click on optional updates, and if any optional update available in your system, simply download and install it. Sometimes outdated driver may be a cause of printer a spooler error appear on your screen. Thereafter check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system and here choose devices and printers, and here go to printer and scanner and here choose your printer and scroll down and here choose open print queue, and if any print queue available, delete it. Update your printer driver. Right click on a start button and choose device manager and here go to your print queue section. Expand it, right click on your printer driver and choose update driver. Here choose search automatically for drivers. Click on it and Windows will update your printer driver. Thereafter check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type cmd to open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator. And in command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on a screen: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. One by one, execute this command in command prompt windows, and thereafter execute sfc/scan now command. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification. After that, restart your system. Your printer